Welcome back, boys, and today we are opening OP13, and I'm really excited. Let's see if we get anything. And yeah, this is how it looks. We got Cool, Brook, The Empty Throne, Connie, Ivankov, Gum Gum, Gatling Gun, Atlas, Tony Chopper, Prometheus, we get a Vivi, and we get a Shanks. We got nothing on that, but that's okay, because we got another pack. Let's see what we get. Hopefully we don't get a leader card, because I really don't like leader cards, but yeah. Gyros, York, Oro Jackson, all the way to the top, Shaka, Kobe, Morgans, that really long event, Pythagoras, Helmeppo. We get the 5 Elder Stars at your service, and we get a Yamato! Nice! We almost have a playset.